I'm going to talk to you today about the new Bertazzoni ranges, just introduced at this Kbis in Orlando. You have here the Professional series, which is our signature design, very contemporary, with square handles and this very special knob design, which is unique of Bertazzoni. What you're looking at here is a 48-inch all-gas range in red color. Our products are known for the quality of the paint. We make them available in red, in orange, in yellow, in black, and in white. This is a top-of-the-line model with 6 brass burners and an integrated electric griddle. It also has an accessory cast iron griddle, temperature gauge on the control panel, giving the accurate oven temperature, extra large oven with dual diagonal convection fan for optimal heat distribution in the oven cavity, allowing cooking and baking on 7 different shelf levels. Each range comes equipped with telescopic glides, and the oven door has our unique edge-to-edge glass design, full glass, no visible screws, no edges, the cleanest design showing the quality of the Italian engineering. Self-closing door, and the secondary cavity, also with its own telescopic glide and beautiful edge-to-edge glass design on the inside of the door.
Thanks for watching our YouTube video. If you'd like to see more appliance reviews and ratings, please click on the link below to subscribe to our channel or visit our website at appliancebuyersguide.com.